Dear men, do not buy love, do not use money to impress a woman and subsequently marry her. If you do, you will never stop paying and it will never end well. Marry only a woman that genuinely desires you as a man. Marry only a woman you know is into you as a person, and not just the good tidings that you bring. This is the woman you can build a future with. When choosing a wife, you must consider the long term, the uncertainties. You must consider your woman's reaction if life stops being favorable to you financially, no matter how juicy today is. Life is unpredictable, it's full of ups and downs. A woman that chooses you for who you are, your core and quality as a man, and not what you have, your material possession and quantity as a person, so that in times of financial difficulty or hardship, she will be able to show compassion and be understanding, support you and endure torrid times with you. She will have the motivation to work with you and find a way out no matter how tough it gets. If a woman chooses you or settled with you for your money or the benefits she gets from you, when trying time comes, when things get difficult so much that you're unable to keep up and provide her needs, her first instinct will be to flee from you, but before she does, she will mock you, despise you, hate your guts, she will torment you and curse the day that she met you. This is because she'll believe you to be a mistake, a wrong man in her life. She will see you as someone she shouldn't have met or be with in the first place. She will blame you for her circumstances because if she had been with another man, maybe the outcome would have been different, maybe she would have had a better future with someone else unlike you whose bad luck and unfortunate situation ruined her dreams. Rather than support you going forward, your struggles will become a sin in her eyes because why will you be broke? Why will you be having money problems? She will see you as a symbol of failure because you failed at the only thing she believed you to be good and useful for, which is spending on her and funding her glamorous lifestyle. You were supposed to serve her and keep her baby girl dream alive. She'll never forgive you for falling short. When you put money forward or lead with money, the type of women you'll end up with are women that have no genuine interest in you. Women whose only mission is to lure you with sex and tie you down with pregnancy so they can have unlimited access to your resources and a share of your properties through marriage and child support. So when it all goes down, she will rather bolt away with her heels touching the back of her head than join hands with you to find a solution to your problems. If you both had kids together, she'd rather become a single mother, finding a new man that can provide for her needs and who will also double as a father to her child than be saddled with you who she considered a loser. Unfortunately, being a single mother will limit her chances because she will have problems getting men to commit to her. Men will toss her around for sex, pass her to one another like blunt for fun. The truth is she won't care, as long as she can blame it all on you, all her pain, suffering and misery. For this reason, she will become forever vindictive and she's likely to turn your kids against you, especially if you're unable to provide child support. This, son, is the danger of transactional love or relationship. Just pray you don't ever go broke, because if you do, it will be the straw that breaks the camel's back.